Welcome to Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial will cover how to create new users in Builder Information System. Whether your license is for 1 or 100 users, Builder Information System allows you to add as many users as needed. Your license dictates how many users can access the software concurrently at any given time. Note that the user admin exists as a system default and cannot be deleted. The administrator is permanently granted access to all functions and all licensed modules. In BIS, the user's form is used to create and modify the various user profiles needed for each individual that will be accessing the data. Since the option controls all user profiles and passwords, if you have the password module, it is recommended that a relatively few number of individuals be given access to this menu option. Please refer to the tutorial on the password module for more information. To add a user, access the user's form by selecting the user's link in the white area of the My Desktop Administrator folder, or go to Administrator and select Users in the menu. On the main tab, first enter a user ID code in the user ID field. This is an alphanumeric field limited to 5 characters. This code will be required at the login screen and when setting up access rights for this user within the password module. Next, provide the user's full name. This is an alphanumeric field limited to 30 characters. You may enter a password in the password field. The password field is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Using a password is optional. However, once a password is established for a user, it will be required each time the user logs into the BIS system. Each time a password is entered, it will be masked with asterisks to eliminate the possibility of eavesdropping. It's important to remember the password assigned. If necessary, write it down and put it in a safe place. For security reasons, it is recommended that the password not be commonplace, such as your initials or birth date, and that it be changed often. If you've entered a password, it is required to enter the password again in the confirmation password field. This is a standard safety measure to ensure that the password was entered as intended. If the confirmation password does not match, a message will be displayed and BIS will require that the password and confirmation be re-entered. Upon creating a new user, the default status is enabled. The status may be changed to disabled at any time to provide the administrator with a method for blocking a user's access if needed. When a user's status is set to disabled, the visibility field becomes available with the option to show or hide the user. The hide setting will make the user's ID unavailable at login. In the Enterprise Edition, the user can control field level security of another option is available and as indicated allows user control field level security of another user. This is another security related setting option that should be weighed carefully. The picture button to the right allows an image file photo of the user to be displayed. Simply click the button, browse and select the appropriate photo. It will populate the designated area. Use the Remove button to remove the photo. The Notes tab is available to keep any needed pertinent information. Upon completing the user setup, save and close users. Note that any time you've made changes in users and go to close the screen, a prompt will appear. Do you want to save changes? Select Yes to save the changes.